Congratulations, you've just unlocked the world's smartest AI-powered ad creator. AdPresso AI, smart move. But what if I told you you could now take AdPresso from powerful to absolutely unstoppable? What if you could serve more clients, do faster, more effective split testing, run unlimited ad variations, land bigger projects, and look like the #1 ad expert in your niche, all without hiring a designer or a copywriter? That's exactly what you can do with AdPresso Template Club, your one-time upgrade to ad domination. As a Template Club member, you instantly unlock over 3,000 ready-to-use ad templates, all professionally designed, high-converting, and fully customizable. With this upgrade, your templates aren't just limited to Facebook and Instagram. You get ready-to-use creatives for TikTok, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, Snapchat, all major platforms covered. Every single template is based on real ad data and platform-specific best practices. So you're not guessing, you're building ads that actually work. But that's just the start. You also get up to 100,000 brand new ad creatives every single month. Yes, 100,000. That means you can test more angles, run more campaigns, and keep your ads fresh so they never burn out. And because great ads need great words, you'll get 500 AI-generated ad copies every month, headlines, CTAs, and variations, all written to grab attention and drive clicks. But we're not stopping there. You'll also get 500 AI-generated targeting ideas every month. No more guesswork on who should I target. Now you'll have laser-focused targeting suggestions for every campaign, every time. And as a Template Club member, you'll also get priority support, so your questions and requests go to the front of the line every time. All of this comes with a full commercial license, meaning you can use everything you create for unlimited client projects and keep 100% of the profit. Now here's the best part. This is a one-time only upgrade. No monthly fees, no usage limits, no catches. You get 3,000 ready-to-use templates, 100,000 monthly ad creatives, 500 AI ad copies every month, 500 AI targeting ideas every month, priority support, full commercial license. One client project will pay for this upgrade, and then some. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Click the button below now to join the AdPresso Template Club and turn your AdPresso into a full-blown creative powerhouse for life. Let's build ads that perform, scale, and sell like never before. Welcome to AdPresso AI, and in this video, I will tell you how to use it to make effectively high-converting ads. Let's start with creating ads. So click on Projects. When you come on the Projects window, click on Add New Project. Give it a name. I'm using Apple's website, so I'm giving it Apple's name. Now, I would like to tell you that you also have the option to not include BrandKit in your projects, and right away click on Next. For Facebook, you will get all the major ad categories. Can you see this? Image, slideshow, sponsored, marketplace, stories, carousel, collection, and same for Instagram. Image, carousel, explore, feed, shopping ad, collection ad, branded content ad. So currently I'll go to Facebook and I would want to work with the Facebook carousel ads and click on Create. Now when you come to this page, you have two options. Either you right away give the website to AdPresso AI and it will capture all the data and it will create a description for you, which is very important and will be created in a way that, headlines and subheadlines are generated that will help you to boost your revenue and conversions, or you can add your data manually. So both can be done. Manually, you will have to do everything on your own. Product title, Apple, language, English, product description, what exactly you know about the product, then your target audience, your call to action. This you can use when you don't have website and it is yet to be built. But if you have a website, I would recommend you to use our AI feature. Okay, so I'm just copy-pasting Apple website and clicking on Scan. So product title has come up with a lot of keywords because all these are products of Apple and it has fetched maximum everything. That is amazing. Language is English. And description, experience the future of technology with Apple's latest lineup of innovative products. This seems too good for creating good ads. Now, the finest content generated through a website will give you the best headlines and subheadlines generated by AdPresso AI. So who is your target audience? Tech enthusiasts, professional students, health-conscious individuals who value premium technology and seamless integrations. This is, again, amazing. Eye for attention. Discover innovation now. Amazing call to action. Now let's see what will happen in the next window. So here, using the content from the website, AdPresso AI has generated multiple headlines, sub-headlines, and call to action for you. You can choose anything from here. Let's say Apple's innovation peak. And then, let's say, up to 10,000 cashback, and explore now. Now, these are the options already available. If you wish to edit, you have the option of doing that as well. Experience, Apple's innovation peak. You can edit it as well. You want to add something to it, you can do that as well within 40 characters. So now I'm adding the logo. So when you add any image inside AdPresso AI, you will have two options. Either you can crop that image according to your requirement, or you can use the image as it is. I am using as it is. Now I already have an image for this particular ad. But if you don't have any image and you wish us to help you in that, we also have this generate image option. When you click on it, you will get three options: Pixabay, Unsplash, and Generate by AI. So when I use Pixabay, and let's say Apple products, and click on search, so I have got a lot of options as per Pixabay's search capability. Same goes for Unsplash, Apple products. Unsplash has given comparatively nice results. Just Apple products. This is good. And we also have the option wherein you can use AI to generate an Apple product. So how you will use the AI, you can add a prompt like generate an image in which you are showing all the Apple products like MacBook, iPhone, iPad, EarPods, and then click on generate. And the image is generated, and it is a very nice one actually. Can you see? So if you wish, you can use this image as well. Okay, let me add this, and I'll show you one magic. So as soon as you added this image, all the colors present inside that image has been catched and fetched and kept over here. And you can choose any color, okay? However, I will be using the image that I had already chosen for this project. Wait a sec. Can you see? All the colors have been fetched. Now I want to use this bright blue because the brighter color you will use as your primary color, the brighter the whole ad templates will come up. A little bit of white with it. And I think this mustard is good. And then since this is blue and white and mustard, let's use, for headline, black. For all the text, let's use black color. In case something goes wrong, we have the option to edit it. And click on Continue. The magic has begun, and look at the amazing templates that are being generated. This is truly amazing. But if I wish to edit something in it, it's very simple. I will click on Edit, and it will take me to the editor. And then whatever I wish to edit, I can edit. Now, moving on to the Brand Kit option. Inside AdPresso front-end access, you get to create only one brand kit wherein you can add your logo, your favicon, and signature. In case you don't have a signature, then you can create it over here itself. You just have to write the text and choose the font, and it will be all done. Okay? And save it. So it will be saved. Going to the ad copy generator inside front-end access of AdPresso, you can generate 100 ad copies. What you have to do is you have to click on Create Ad. Now let's write the same name, Apple, because we just created ads for Apple. So we would want to create ad copy for same. Choose the product over here. I have chosen the same product. And you have to mention over here what type of ad copy you are looking forward to. Selling, retargeting, what kind of ad copy you want. So let's say people who have watched the product but have not bought it yet. This is my instruction to the AI copy generator so that they create the ad copy using this angle. And I'll click on Submit. So when I chose that Apple project, it will use the website added in that project and capture all the data and use it. Here, 3 variations of our ad copy is generated. First variation is curiosity-driven, second is authority-driven, and third is urgency-driven. Same functionalities for the ad target audience wherein you can ask AdPresso AI targeting audience generator that what audience should I target for my product. Let's see how to do that. Again, project name, Apple. Project selected, Apple. Now, as soon as I selected Apple project, the website has been used, which I added in this project. So you have to give again the instructions like what audience you want. Maybe, again, want audience who visited the store but did not buy. Who visited but did not buy. And submit. So here, primary audience, secondary audience, retargeting audience, exclusions and plot platform strategy. Everything has been created by AdPresso AI targeting audience generator. You just have to copy paste and use it. This is amazing, guys. This is absolutely amazing. And then you get client acquisition package. In that also, we are covering 2 businesses. Business 1, which is to sell ads by creating using Adpresso AI. And business 2 is running ads for agencies and businesses. Then you get client conversion package again for both the businesses so that you can convert maximum clients and projects. Then you get freelance profile launch guide for both the businesses so that you can launch your profile on top. Freelancing platforms. I hope that you use it in the best way possible and create converting ads. Thank you.